Hey y'all, so this is me just checking in from my little influencer slash entrepreneur vlog. I didn't get to vlog the rest of it, but my pop-up shop went really good. I cleared out a lot of inventory, y'all. I literally have like 2 bundles left and a couple of my headbands. Like, people were ordering after the fact. My bonnet sold out, my hair tie sold out, and I had just re-upped, so I have to like update everything on my Charm Life site. I didn't vlog. Okay, so when I got off Thanksgiving morning, I'm off for a whole week. So on Thanksgiving, I just chilled and went to sleep. Black Friday, y'all saw my pop-up shop. Hey y'all, so I'm in my first Charm Life pop-up shop. Look at my bestie here supporting me. We got all the Charm Life merch. You see it. Everything is $10, y'all. Honesty hour, my social anxiety was through the roof, okay? Listen, I know I'm a whole nurse out here, but it's different when it's like, I don't know, it's weird. But y'all,
it's all a mind thing.
I'm trying to get rid of everything, or mostly everything, because it gotta go. But yeah. Yesterday, which was Saturday, I took my baby to the Universoul Circus and we had a good time. I'll insert pictures and like a couple of clips of it here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then today is Sunday, a real chill day. I'm just like, you know, getting my house together, cleaning up because I haven't had that time. And then I don't go to work till Wednesday, but I wanted to get everything out because, yeah, so I just wanted to come and give y'all a quick update. So I'll show y'all what I got from Walmart. I spent $150 in Walmart and didn't even get everything I need. Didn't even get any groceries. Now, none of that, okay? None of that, okay? Like, I'm so upset. And it's just like everyday stuff. Is not nothing big. Ooh, camera got caught. Not nothing big, not nothing small. So I started putting some stuff up, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got right here. Okay, so first things first, before Corona, before all of this, I always get sick in the summertime. Like, I feel like I be sick all year round. My immune system kind of sucks, but I always get sick in the summertime, and I get really, really sick like towards January, February time. So I always got to get a head start, so I bought me some Halls, breezers, some NyQuil. I hate taking liquid medicine. It makes me gag. So I got some NyQuil Dayquil pills for severe cold and flu and congestion. Okay, so I'm gonna knock it out. And then I also got me some more Emergency Immune Plus because of everything going on. Got me some more of this. This is the first stuff I bought. Where's my Walmart receipt? Let me go get my Walmart receipt, y'all. Cough drops was $2. I'm not doing that. I spent $150. Y'all gonna see. I was finna sit here and like run y'all down how much everything was, but I changed my mind just that fast trying to figure out. Pick apart that receipt. No. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey. So I'm finna sit, and tomorrow my aunt is coming help me finished decorating my tree. So that's that. My best friend Imani, she came and we sat down there. We had a good life talk. And we had a good life talk. Y'all, I miss my best friend, y'all. I missed her so much. She got a real life with a real man now. Not like trying to be head ass, but she got like a real job. She went into her career. Y'all know she graduated. And just life be lifing. Like life be lifing. Don't look at my terrible tree in the back. So then I got this bubble bath mat because my other one was dirty. I got this other kind of bath mat to go to line my shower, but I didn't like it and it got nasty, so I got this one. It's iridescent, y'all. It's cute. I've been trying to slowly decorate my house, like y'all know. Anyways, I got this little pink fabric shower curtain. I wanted to do my bathroom something like this. I don't even know what the fuck I wanted to do in my bathroom, but I was like, this shower curtain cute and it's pink and it's a bathroom, bro. Just decorate it. It's a bathroom. But I got tired of that brown curtain, so I got this pink fabric shower curtain, and I got this like multiple pink, like it got different shades of pink and white in the middle, so it's gonna match for the rug at the bottom. I got some candles, some clean linen candles, because y'all, candles I got at the pop-up shop. Had to. She in her pajamas already. She together, y'all. She ready. Look, she coming. Look, she coming. Look, she coming. What, baby? What you want? Okay. What, baby? You want a lollipop? It's good. It tastes good. She going back in her room, y'all. She going back in her room, y'all. But I want to hit up the Bath and Body Works candle sale. That's gonna come. And the candles that I got from the pop-up shop, they don't even burn, y'all. Like as soon as I light them, they go out. Little bitty candles. Like no shade, no tea to the lady I got them from, but. And I'm running out of Tory candles. I think I got like 2 of hers left. But I want to do Bath and Body Works because I really like their Christmas scents. So I just got these 2 Glade clean linen candles because I really like having candles in my bathroom to like get the smell together. You know? And that I've been waiting. So anyways, the next I got some bathroom cleaner because I ran out. Some scrub free total bathroom cleaner by OxyClean, and I also got some Clorox, which waste in my car. Like I left it in my car and it was like this anyway, so it's like only like this much in there. But yeah, just some Clorox cleaner and bleach. And y'all know we finna go back on lockdown, so I had to secure some Clorox wipes. I got like, I think I got a big bucket underneath there, but I had to secure some more just in case, you know, in the stash. Then I seen these, y'all. I get excited about cleaning products. So then I found these Lysol No Cage No Mess, like toilet bowl things, automatic toilet cleaner in your toilet bowl, and it said it's up to clean, keeps clean and fresh up to 8 weeks. So I guess it just like you put it inside your toilet bowl. Whatever. If I'm putting y'all on, let me know. Y'all, I literally was running out of soap. Y'all know I bought them Dove like body soaps, like the bar soap, but I like to bar soap wash first and then body soap wash. Like I've been in between the Dr. Bronner's, that's what it's called, whatever, you know, y'all know the peppermint soap everybody on, but that soap makes my skin so like I wash off, like do my bar soap with Dove and then wash with that. It make my skin so dry and my body missed up, and I ran out of Dove, but I was alternating. So I got me some more Dove. I never tried this scent. It's the shea butter and warm vanilla. It probably smells good. I'm gonna use this tonight. And then y'all got me some more deodorants because I ran out of deodorant. Hey, I got Zuri a bath bomb for when she take a bath, just to try it out, see if she like it, to get her back on her color number stuff, because I kind of like been slacking on that. I kind of been slacking, I ain't gonna lie. I got me some makeup wipes because I didn't have no makeup wipes and I was trying to take my makeup off with this frontal. Baby, that's why it's lifted now because I got water everywhere. I ran out of lotion too, so I got my favorite lotion, Jergens Honey. Y'all, the honey and orange scent busts every time, all the time, all day. Like, I was running out. I'm like, you know how you take the top off and the bottle? That's what I'm doing. Then I got me some more toothpaste. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I don't stick with one type of toothpaste. I like always using a different type of toothpaste. So today I'm gonna try the last thing of toothpaste that I'm squeezing out is Crest. I'm gonna try Colgate Whole Mouth Total Health, and I got me a new toothbrush because you know you're supposed to change your toothbrush like every so often. I've been having that toothbrush for a minute and I just it's time to go, so I got me a toothbrush and I got me a Colgate toothbrush, you know. And then last but not least, I got some more face wash because I ran out of face wash. But the difference is, like, I got the normal extra gentle daily scrub. I got that. But instead of getting the gentle cleanser in the pump bottle, I got the gentle foaming cleanser. It foams up. I just got it because it said foaming up. It probably do the same thing. I'm excited to use this tonight. But yeah, that's what I got from Walmart, and I spent $150. Oh, and I'm sitting here like I had the camera on it, and I got me a smoothie. I didn't get a smoothie. I got a blender. It was $20, Hamilton Beach blender. Because y'all, so to help me on my fitness journey, I know I'm talking a lot, and y'all probably like, but y'all gonna get this vlog. To help me on my fitness journey, I purchased the, I don't know if y'all follow I'm King of Fitness. He's an Atlanta celebrity trainer. He trains everybody from Regine to Toya. Like he the one that got them small, and he is the one that gives out the surgery body results. Everybody think they have surgery because his results so good. So he made some meal replacement shakes, Shake Something Cafe, and they released, and I wanted to get the strawberry cheesecake flavor, but literally I put this and the strawberry cheesecake flavor in my cart, and by the time I checked out, this was the only one available. So I got the Shake Something teas. It's 14. I only bought one, so I'm guessing every time you buy one you're gonna get 14. So whenever they release again, I got them. So it's 14. It's for 2 weeks, and I needed a blender because I don't have a blender. My mama don't have a blender. So yeah, I want to order a blender cup too. I'm gonna order one off Amazon, and this is just the toppings to go with it. I think it's gonna be great. I'm excited to start. I feel like they're gonna taste good, and like my trainer told me about like protein shakes and meal shakes, but like I don't really like. I tried to make my own smoothies. I hated it. I gave my best friend all of that stuff. I was just like, I feel like I'm gonna like this. It's flavors I like. I feel like it's gonna taste good, and I feel like it's gonna keep me in the groove of like doing this as a meal replacement, and then so on and so forth and so on and so forth. Okay, so yeah, also y'all, I'm just talking because I miss y'all. Like I haven't vlogged in a minute, but I want to show y'all everything I got. So as y'all know, I'm trying to transform my room into this natural, nice, earthy vibe. So I ordered these curtains off Amazon, and then I ordered the other curtains. Is expensive, y'all. So yes, I ordered 2 panels, and I had to wait to re-up, and I ordered the new panels because these is very nice curtains. Like they're linen, they're very, very thick. Like they black out. Like I've noticed the difference. Like they black out for real. Like they black out, they thick, they keep like, I think they got some type of thermal something going on where they keep the heat in my room, and I need that. So I've been having these sheer white curtains over here, so I'm finna replace them curtains and put them over there, and it's gonna be a vibe. Y'all want to see? I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. like it looks better with the white in the middle, so I gotta find the curtains over there to do it. My room is coming together. It's just these curtains wrinkle and it's enough for me. But now I'm finna put my, well, I need to clean my room, but I need to put the stuff up in my bathroom first. Thanks, Dad. So I need to wash. Thanks.
How you doing?
Okay, I will. So yeah, look at my laundry room, y'all. Oh, it's a mess, bro. And this week I've been off. I haven't done anything, like nothing productive towards being productive at all. I want to reorganize my hair dryer, but that's just a lot. I need to take this down, take these down, and put in my new shower stuff. But I need to clean my shower first. I need to get out of these church clothes. That's what I need to do. But yeah, this is the end of this vlog, and I hope y'all like it. And stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.